JPC is all about selling Jamaican quality goods in Britain. And so the best coffee, well, one of the best coffee in the world is, of course, Blue Mountain coffee. So that was so important for us to bring it to England. And obviously we had it in our own packaging because we wanted to give different quality of coffee to our customer. The Tortuga rum cake, which is absolutely fantastic, was part of it, as part of our product as well. Our rum cake is made in Montego Bay, and it's 20 minutes from our home in Jamaica. And Tortuga rum cake is absolutely very popular throughout the Caribbean. And we know that, but the fact is, if I had the rum cake flying in from Miami, it would have the Caribbean on it. But because of my Jamaican branding, it's so important that everything that comes here, although it's Caribbean, has got a Jamaican stamp on it, because this is all about Jamaica. And I'm so proud of this chocolate. I'm not being biased. It's a beautiful, beautiful chocolate. And again, something that make me extremely proud to be Jamaican. So that's so important that we have that in our store.